Hello guys, it's Flavia. Welcome to Flavia Cookhouse. For our first video, we'll be making a chocolate cake. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So guys, we are making a chocolate cake. All we start with is a all-purpose flour, a cocoa powder, baking powder, and granulated sugar. And then we mix it well. Until they are fully combined. After mixing it well, we add melted butter and warm water. And then you whisk it until it's completely smooth. Remember, the amount of ingredients you use depends on the size of the cake that you want. After it has become smooth, you transfer it to the baking dish. Now this is ready to go to the microwave now. Now we put the cake in the oven. And we bake it for around 5 to 10 minutes. We are going to see if the cake is ready using a toothpick like this. The cake is ready because the toothpick came out clear. For the topping of the cake, we'll be using chocolate spread. We'll put 2 spoonfuls. Like this, and then melt it. And then we add the topping.